Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear on the beginning of the song Masterpiece by OMI and Felix Jaehn. Before we start with the video, remember to subscribe to the channel. The song is in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. And we start playing a B minor, but we don't need the complete chord, so we're going to use only the index finger on the 2nd fret 5th string, ring finger on the 4th fret 3rd string, and middle finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. On the right hand we play the strings 5, 3, 2, the ones that we're holding down. And at the same time we have to mute the strings. We are going to use palm muting, placing this side of the hand right after the bridge in a way that we get that mute sound. Okay, don't mute too much like this. We want to hear the tones. Okay, after that we lift the fingers to get that rest, and we move that middle finger to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, and at the same time we put the index finger on the same fret, 2nd fret, 3rd string. And on the right hand we play 2 times the 5th string, and then 3rd, 2nd, 3rd. And there we get the first measure. You get it? Okay, after that we're going to play a G, and again we don't need the complete chord. We're going to play in the same way that we played the B minor, but we're going to move the index finger to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. And the right hand this time plays the strings 6, 3 and 2. So from the beginning sounds like this. Okay, let's try that part together. 1, 2, 3 and... One more time. 1, 2, 3 and... Perfect. And then we arrive to a D, and we're going to play 2 times the 4th string, then the 3rd, the 1st, and when we play that 1st string we're going to do a pull off to the 1st string open. A pull off is that we don't play that 0, instead when we lift the 2nd finger we have to make that string sound. Okay? And then we play the 2nd string, so that D sounds like this. Okay, so I'm going to put together the measure 1 and 2. I show you one more time and then we can try together. Nice, so now let's try to play together. 1, 2, 3 and... One more time. 1, 2, 3 and... Perfect. And then when we arrive to the 3rd and 4th measure, everything is the same, but when we come to the end, where we play the D, there we're going to play a little bit different. We start on the same way that we played 2 times the 4th string, but this time we're going to play the 2nd string, and then we play at the same time the 2nd and the 1st, and we do the pull off. And after that, rest. We don't come back to the 2nd string. So that this sounds like this. Okay, so when I put together the measures 3 and 4, sounds like this. more time, and then we try together. Measure 3 and 4. Okay, and now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect, so now let's put everything together. Measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect, and we just have to keep repeating that thing. So now let's play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. Again. We can try one more time. We play everything 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. And that was Masterpiece by OMI and Felix Jaehn. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs for the song, you will find them in my website, EasyGuitarTube.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.